First of all, for our MateBook Fold, this extraordinary master, its opening method is to place your hands on the sides, then gently push upwards with your thumbs. There will be a force that helps it open. Then we just push it open along the sides. An upward swipe will get you to the desktop, just like our usual habit of using a phone. Then, by simultaneously touching the bottom area with 4 fingers, we can bring up the virtual keyboard. The keyboard appears. The keyboard's theme and skin can also be changed freely, and you can even DIY to create your own. Every time you tap, the screen will have haptic feedback. And with this computer, you can also browse social media, and it supports gesture operations. Let me demonstrate for everyone. Here is our camera. After enabling air gesture control, you can perform an air gesture. You can also browse social media very immersively. Unfold it. Giant screen social media. You can also turn it horizontally. Then you can open the kickstand. At the same time, this computer has 6 speakers. The sound we hear comes from all directions, surrounding us. The sound quality is particularly good. Then, the operation method is the same as our tablets, same as phones. You can just swipe up. A 3-finger upward swipe works, a 3-finger downward swipe can bring things up. Then we can also use it with our keyboard. The keyboard just needs to be magnetically attached to be used. It's magnetic. Then pair the keyboard. Once the keyboard is paired, it's ready. But remember, you cannot fold it backward, as it will damage its screen. This is our smart Xiaoyue, Huawei's AI assistant, which can be called up with 1 tap. Unfolded, it's 18 inches. Folded, it's 13 inches. On the spine, there's the Ultimate Design logo. Overall, it's a vegan leather-like material. Okay,